Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the 18th country that I visited. And I'm currently in Montenegro. I arrived yesterday. I didn't do any vlog because I was so tired. Really tired from almost more than 24 hours of traveling. I flew from Cappadocia to Istanbul, stayed in Istanbul for like 12 hours, and then I fly here in Podgorica, which is the capital of Montenegro, and then took the bus from Podgorica to Kotor. I'm in Kotor right now. It's a very beautiful city. You know, it's laid back, but there's a lot of tourists. But yeah, it's 9:16. Had a really good sleep last night. I'm pretty sure I was snoring really loud. I'm sorry to all of my doormates. But right now I'm up and alive and kicking, and make sure to just tour around the Kotor old town later on, and I'm gonna bring you there. See ya.
I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't like it. No, I've been without you for all this time. Good God, I'm bent out of shape now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. Oh, we're moving places I can't control. I don't know how to be without you. I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. No, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey.
This is so delicious. I love it. Perfect ice cream. I'm joining this tour today, so just a random tour that I'll be joining for 3 hours.
Strawberry on my lips and chocolate fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so free. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling, this feeling.
I'm on the first island here in Montenegro. I can't remember the name of the island, but I'm gonna put it down later. But there's a church here at my back, and I'm gonna let you see the view later because this is just so beautiful.
Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on and caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life.
Submarine tunnel. Wow. I don't think this is still operational. Yeah.
No.
Oh. Ooh. Oh wow. Woo! Oh.
Three pieces. Submarine tunnel and all pieces is connection with entering.
The right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Hey, cause we got the sunshine by the poolside.
beautiful.
Okay guys, welcome in the BLUE Cave.
Look at that. Look at that. Welcome to BLUE Cave.
Right, we came in the outside, small leather. Who wanna swim, who wanna diving, guys, have a mask. Diving,
Swim here?
yes.
Are you swimming? Yes.
I gotta swim. Yeah.
Alright.
Welcome to BLUE Cave. Here. The water is so blue. Probably. You're still contemplating or are you going? Alright, thank you.
This movie. Yeah.
Movie?
Yes.
Video?
Yes. Look at this.
Thank you so much.
Le téléphone, le cap paquet.
Now it's late, now it's late.
Sorry.
Now it's late.
Oh, sorry, you're fine. I'm so sorry because the
No, I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't like it. Go. I've been without you for all this time. Good God, I'm bent out of shape now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet.